July is here, and that means summer is officially in full swing. And with it comes huge profit opportunities for dropshippers like you and me. And as demand for summer products just skyrockets, it's crucial to stay ahead of the trends and take advantage of high converting items with low competition. And that's exactly why I've put together a list of top products to sell in July 2025, so you can add them to your store today and ride the seasonal wave. Every product in this list has been carefully researched and verified using Zik Analytics product research tools, giving you the best possible chance of success. So without any further ado, let's just jump in right here in the video. So the first product in today's list is this mini portable air cooler. Right, and you can see this video right here. And this is a must-have product that just makes summer days much more bearable for people looking to refresh themselves and have some cooler air. You know, as you can see here, you simply add water and ice cubes and you're good to go. It's compact, it's effective, and you can just take it anywhere you want. And the best part is that this product right here looks great on camera, which means low effort to create videos that can just go viral, you know, and drive free organic traffic to your dropshipping store. Now, I found this dropshipping store selling this exact product right here for $42.90. So what I did is I just copied the store's URL and then I pasted it into Zik Store Sales Tracker to get a full analysis of the store, including data that Shopify does not normally share. And here's what I found out. I found out that this product alone sold 46 times in the past 30 days. And then I used Zik's item finder to source the exact same product on AliExpress, and then I found several exact matches. Look, let me just click here. Let me show you how quickly it is. Look, and then boom, so many exact matches. You see that? Anyway, out of these ones, I just chose this one right here, and it's this exact same product. You see that? It's priced at $21.60 plus $5.89 for shipping. So that's a total of $27.49. So let's just calculate how much this dropshipping store is making from this product alone. The selling price of this product is $42.90, correct? The Shopify fees is 2.9% plus 30 cents, which are $1.54. And the product cost on AliExpress is $27.49. So the total profit per sale is $13.86. With 46 sales in the past 30 days, this store has made around $637 in profit before ads and operational expenses. It's not bad at all for a product expected to spike in sales throughout July and August. All right, this is like a no-brainer. Don't go anywhere. The next product in the list is something that can upgrade any walk, trip, or flight anywhere. It's this attachable and adjustable phone holder. And as you can see, this isn't your typical phone holder. It's more like a hands-free entertainment device that keeps you occupied during walks, flights, or anywhere outside the house. And I found this dropshipping store selling this exact same product for $29.99 with free shipping, which is a solid price for a product with this much perceived value. And then I did the same thing when I scanned this store using Zik Analytics. I saw that this item was sold, look at this, 85 times, all right? 85 times in the past 30 days. And then I did the same thing again, and I went to AliExpress and I found this exact same product, and it's listed for only $12.30 with free shipping, which is less than half of the price this store is charging. So my friends, that means that the profit per sale is $16.50. You take that, multiply it by 85, this store has made around $1,400 in profit from this one product alone. Not bad, right? And before I go further and review the next product in today's list, if you're enjoying this video, go ahead, like it, subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And again, if you want to use the same crazy, amazing tools that I'm using in this video for product validation and research, you can try Zik Analytics for just $1 for the first week. Give it a try and let me know what do you think in the comments below. All right, next product is just perfect if you're running a general store, or even better, like a niche store focused on camping and outdoors, because it's this thing right here. It's this reusable ice packs. And as you can see the video here, it's quite simple. You probably know this product. Instead of freezing water bottles or using nylon bags, these are reusable ice packs because they offer a simple, mess-free solution for keeping things cold. And they're especially useful for camping trips, beach days, and picnics, you name it. They keep the food fresh and drinks nice and cold. And now it might seem like a basic product, but it's high in demand. And it has a great market fit for drop shippers. So check out this store right here, all right? This store right here is selling a 4-pack for $19.99. And wow, look at this. It's sold out. You see the little sold out mark? It wasn't like this morning. So that's a good sign, isn't it? I ran this store through Zik Store Sales Tracker, and I saw that they sold this product 92 times. Check this out, 92 units sold in the past 30 days, which just proves how strong the demand is. Now let's source, all right? Here's an example that I found on AliExpress, and it's selling for $8.83 with $3.29 for shipping, which brings a total cost to $12.10. That leaves us with a profit of around $7.89 per sale. And with 92 sales, we're talking about $726 profit before ads and operational costs. Let me just give you a pro tip. If you are running a general camping or outdoor store, this product is a great cross-sell opportunity because of how well it fits into those markets, all right? Here's a trendy product that's just starting to make waves on TikTok. It's this dinosaur egg galaxy projector, right? So the thing is, there are plenty of galaxy projectors out there. You've probably seen them shaped like astronauts or other cool figures. But recently, this dinosaur egg version has started to take over the trend. I don't know why. Don't ask me why, but it is, all right? People are crazy. Now, let's take a look at this store right here selling this product, $44.90. And then using Zik Store Sales Tracker, I checked their numbers, and look at this. This product sold 46 times in the last 30 days. Now, for sourcing, I found the exact same item on AliExpress, and it's priced at $27.42 with free shipping. And that, my friends, gives this store a profit of about $16 per sale, which adds up to around $736 in monthly profit just from this single product. And here's what's really exciting about this. The trend around this item is just picking up. So I expect these numbers just to grow even more in the coming months. Don't miss this boat. Let me know how it goes, all right? Next product is a great gift idea for summer, the Sunshine necklace, all right? It's cute, it's adorable. If you have a fashion store and you want to expand your collection with a product that really fits the summer vibe, this necklace is exactly what you need. I mean, when's the last time that you saw a necklace video with this much engagement? Look at that, my friends. This one pulled almost 17,000 likes on TikTok. Don't miss out. Anyway, I found this store selling this necklace right here for $14.95. And then after scanning the store using Zik Store Sales Tracker, I wasn't surprised to see that they sold it 45 times in the past 30 days. Now, let's find out what it costs to source. I clicked here in item finder, and then I found this exact same item for just $3.57 plus $199 for shipping. since it's an AliExpress choice product under $10. So in total, it costs $5.56 to ship to the US. That means the store is making around $8.60 profit per sale. Times 45, that's $387 profit before ads and other costs. Now, this is a great low ticket product for beginners, especially if you want something that performs well on organic TikTok with high engagement potential. All right, don't go anywhere again. Look, this next product in the list is this portable clip-on fan. Check out this video. I think this product looks really cool. All right, and this product might be the perfect solution for anyone looking to stay cool all day with a compact fan. And as you can see here in this video that I'm playing, the clip-on feature makes this product super convenient and easy to use anywhere. And I found this dropshipping store selling this product for $34.95. Then after scanning this store, I saw that it's a niche store focused entirely on fans, which means this product was likely handpicked based on performance and demand. And it's working. And why is it working? Because this exact fan sold 89 times in the last 30 days. I clicked here in the item finder. I saw so many exact matches, but I went with this one right here. $10.22 plus $4.93 for shipping. So that's a total price of $15.15. That means the profit per sale is $18.48. Take that, multiply by 89, my friends, we're talking about $1,644 in profit. Not bad, not bad. Please add these products to your store. Anyway, my friends, so we just covered the top products to add to your dropshipping store in July 2025. Let us know in the comments which products you like the most and which ones you're planning to add in your own store. Please keep us updated. And again, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to everyone here. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.